Good day, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. What is in my Operation Christmas Child shoebox? And today is an unboxing video for a girl 2 to 4 years old. It does close. Let's see what she's got. Very full box on the lid. Together is better. Hugs are always the right size. Friends forever. These are the dog and cat Valentines from this year, and I just wrote God loves you. Notebook. Inflatable globe. I got these from Dollar Tree. I like these. I just keep it in the package. I had this donated to me, a little Care Bear, as their stuffy. Her cup. Cider cup. Pretty little dress. Size 4T. Found one of these animal cars at Walmart. Book bag for school. Beaded necklaces from Dollar Tree. These were $5 for $1.25. It'll go with her dress. Play-Doh. Pink and a teal. To go with her dress, some shoes, Cat and Jack, size 11. Pair of socks. Crayons. I'm going to put her school supplies loosely in the box. Colored pencils and pencils. Extra sharpener. Whoops. regular sharpener. Rest of her school supplies and a toothbrush with a cap. Comb. Toy blocks. Gave her a lot of blocks. Yellow eraser. And her pencil pouch. It's got her scissors and ruler and my letter to her. Well, this is all I have for today. Thank y'all for watching and subscribing to my channel. If you like it, share. And y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.